Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're gonna be trying out a new brand today, and this brand, it really caught my eye. I found it on Sephora and I had this on my desk for a month. I've just been really busy, girl. If you watched my last video, you know, okay? And as you guys see by the title, we are going to be doing a review on the Saie bronzer. Okay, I've been loving all the bronzers I've been trying out lately, and of course I want to give this new company a try. So this is it here. So this is Saie Sun Melt Natural Cream Bronzer, and I pick up the shade Deep Bronze. Okay, so let's just see how it looks. And I actually didn't open it. Okay, so this is the first time we're seeing how it looks. This is it. Okay, this is like really big, okay? Really huge for the price. No smell. I think this is vegan as well. Look how huge that is. This is gonna last me for a lifetime. It's not bulky or anything, so it definitely will fit in my stash really good. Okay, so this is 1 ounce. Okay, get a lot for 1 ounce. So I really don't know much about this brand. I've seen them on the Sephora website. So this is deep skin tone with warmer undertone. I feel like the last one is gonna be too dark, and this is retail for $28. Now this is a cream formula. It's a natural finish without silicones, clean plus plant positive. So it's a clean product. This is a lightweight creamy balm bronzer with a natural velvet finish that melts into the skin for an easy sun-kissed glow, girl. I hope you guys been doing good. Thank you so much to the new subscribers. Thank you guys so much for subscribing, girl. I appreciate it. I know I've been gone for a minute, but I'm back, girl. I told you guys in my last video, I was like really struggling with these 2 classes I was taking, girl, and I needed a break. Your girl is back doing videos, you know, trying to catch up with YouTube. All right, this is the only tinted foundation that I have on my desk right now, so we're gonna go in with Fenty. So I'm gonna go in with my Rare Beauty concealer. And let's just try this out. I'm gonna use a flat brush for this. Just gonna take this brush here from BH Cosmetics, and this is a flathead brush. I'm just gonna put that right there. I'm gonna put it around my chin. Okay, and you guys know I really don't contour my nose or anything like that. I just don't do that. My nose don't need any touch up. A little bit, and just like blend my forehead. So I seen a few videos on this. The first person I see use this was the Plastic Boy. So when I saw his video and he looks so perfect on his skin, it's like, girl, I want to get it. I love that dewiness that I was seeing on his face. It looks so good. So I wanted to get it for you guys. And you actually could see like it's blending out really good. Like it's really soft as well, and this don't have any smell. Okay, and I really thought this would have been too dark. No, it's not. I love me some contour, girl. You know, if I gain some weight, you know, it just make my face look smaller. So look how this is blending out really fast. Like this is it. I really want them to come out with a foundation, and I actually would try it. I wanted to try out the tinted moisturizer, but like, I'm done with tinted moisturizer for the year, okay? Anyway, I'm gonna use this and just like blend it out with the sponge. You can't even really see it that much. Like it blends into the skin really fast. Look at this. Perfect. Everything is just coming together. This is a really nice product, and it's actually a little dewy. Okay, so this is really nice. Like it blend out the product fast. You could actually see the glow right there. Very natural finish. They didn't lie about that. I actually like it. I don't see anything wrong with it. Oily skin, you guys don't like it. I just like the glow. And I don't even have to set it if I don't want to. I don't think I will do that. You know the vibes, girl. You know the vibes. So we're just gonna, I'm not gonna even tell you what the name of it. If you've been watching my videos, you know what it is. Okay. You know, I definitely recommend this. Like, this is a nice product. And especially the size that you get in is gonna last you for a very long time. All right, guys. So this is the final look, as you guys know. Simple. I actually love this product and I do recommend it if you like bronzers like myself. The packaging, this is a lot for your money, but I like it. I think it's a great product. It blends to the skin really good, and you guys seen the video. I didn't really set it with a bronzer. I just contour the face and that's about it. What I do like about this, it gives a nice glow. I think like all the bronzers that I've been using lately, they give a very nice glow, and this is beautiful. Okay, this is how it looks on the skin, guys. You see that glow right there? Yeah, girl, she looks really, really nice. And if you are my complexion, go with this. Yes, it looks a little dark, but this is like, it gives you like a warm undertone, and I don't mind. That's what it's for anyway. So if you try out any of their products before, let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear what you guys have to say, but this is a must-have in your collection and I like it. I had no problem blending this out, as you guys see in the tutorial. So if you want to try this out, try it. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. To my new subscribers, hey girl, thank you so much for subscribing to this channel. And to my OG, hey girl, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also hit the notification bell so when I upload videos, you guys will be notified. Thank you guys so much. See you guys in the next video. Bye guys.